Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're taking a look at a Zacian EX tin. We did get this again at Target. I went on a different day and I was like, all right, let's see. They had these tins instead of the Koraidon tins, and these go for $26.99. Get my 5% discount because like I'm a Target member, but again, finding something at MSRP is amazing. In the last tin, the Koraidon tin, we got two Journey Together booster packs, Surging Sparks, Paradox Rift, and Obsidian Flames, which is a great combination because when I originally opened this up, I was thinking it would be older packs, but I mean, it kind of makes sense. The only thing we're probably not going to get here is whatever the American version of the Team Rocket pack is, but let's see exactly what is included inside the Zacian. All right, we got Journey Together again. I already see it. That is great. That is amazing. All right, let's take a look at the promo card that we have here. Put this off to the side. So here we have that Zacian card. I, again, always like a card that has some texture on it. It just kind of feels a little bit sticker-like, but I mean, that's okay. It's good to have a promo. And what this comes out to, and I was including my discount, I think it's including tax and everything, $5.59 per pack, not including the promo. So you can kind of like go around that. And again, this is because I have seen these packs locally go for $9 a pack, and that's ridiculous. So we got Journey Together, Surging Sparks, Paradox Rift, and Obsidian Flame. So it's exactly the same cards that we got, or the same packs that we got in the previous box. So it doesn't matter if you get the Zacian or the Koraidon, they're both exactly the same. And again, we're going to be opening up these packs in a different video on the other channel, M8B9, but this is just what's included. And I have to say that like a lot of people thought, and rightfully so, because Target put out signs that you are not able to buy Pokemon card products in store. And an employee told me, yeah, actually, we did that. We reversed the decision because of the demand, and at least there's no fights. They keep them behind customer service. So if you ever go to a Target and want to see if they have Pokemon cards, a lot of them now are behind customer service, but that means that they do have them, and they will properly limit so people don't get like 5 tins, and I think that's great. Anyway, that's the promo card again. Again, I don't understand the form factor of these tins. They don't make a bit of sense to me. I mean, you want these cards to be stacked properly, you know, like if we just had cards, we do card, you know, stack of cards. Now you can't do it because of this oddity, and I guess this is just to put like your stuff inside, and that's it. And that's interesting. It does come with Koraidon on one side, Zacian on the other side, but whatever the promo card is, that's what's going to be on front. And again, I don't get this. Maybe I'll put plushies inside, and you can peel this off just in case. But yeah, that is what's inside the Zacian EX tin. This one I got from Target. I'm sure you can get these everywhere. But again, oh man, I'm happy we got the Journey Together. And by the way, if you didn't know, in the previous tin, we got 4 textured cards, which is what I go crazy for. We got a gold card, we got an alternate art illustration rare, and something else that I forget, plus the promo, which is great. I think that's a great deal. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.